Yeah, family, some peace and some love and some sunlight from Jam Tours Africa family. Today, guys, brother Scotty, old school Jamaican. Old school Jamaican, I cut out of the place, but I love every single minute and every second. You know what I mean? Millisecond him love. Have a Rasta brethren who bring some shirt for him. And see that, I put it on because I go through the airport. Yeah. Yeah, go through the airport. Yeah. Yeah, go through each airport. It's a best marina, me a sport. Fire bun them up. Yeah. Rastafari. Yeah. Yeah, man. In our blood. In our blood. Lena out. That's a word. Motherland. Yeah. Years of planning, finally.
Respect,
yeah, man.
Respect is real. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. I'm a brother like I'm a brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Gandhi. It's not nothing new. Recognize me. It's not nothing new, man. Yeah. It's not nothing new. See me a yard and say they look a dread.
Like a dread pan him Janko. Right out in me Janko.
From Babylon. Coming from a country. With a bag of
I'm
back up on a DC. DC a police.
Yeah.
Want to hold me. Don't you touch my high scent. Yes, I.
If you burn down with Cali weed, we're gonna burn down the plant.
Respect, man. I check said they supposed to put for the Ras. For the Ras in the hills? Yeah, I'll give it to him, man. Yeah, watch it. Definitely. I'll give it to him, man. The Ras. Yeah. I'm proud of it still, you know. Can't show so what I put on them. Yes, sir. And you know, I want me regard. I want me to listen to. Yeah. So I'm not going to give a man something you wouldn't listen to. So you can't get a copy of it, you know. Article, music, maybe get the other brethren. Confidence one too. Yeah, man. But I show himself from me to him that. Yeah, man. With love. Be happy, man. I know that. Yeah. From the 70s all the way up. Respect, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Bobo Hill.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Respect, guidance and protection. Till we meet again, bless it out, man. Just me never far. Yeah, man. Never far.
Who up, Kenya? Who up now? Who up coming?
Watch it, man. That's your word. Yeah, man. The real king, man, fire. That's your word, yeah. Bless it out, man. Respect king. Guidance and protection. All right.
So, Evans, we link now, you know. All right. You're my link now, so you don't know the thing, go.
Yes, sir.
All right, respect, manners. All right. All right, family. So, we brother Scotty, I move out of town. Jam Tours. Let's go. You remember me at Jamaica, man. Trust me.
Say, how them find them way back out? It's beyond me.
Yeah.
We up in the hills.
But they say the vibes in Kenya where you get, man. You trust me, man. You know what I mean?
Kenya
if you as an in the street man and like, oh, you're an old school Jamaican, you know things wrong, you don't miss nothing in Kenya. It's like, and it's so peaceful and nice.
Yeah. Kenya
you can just, you know what I mean? You're not like,
Kenya,
say, yo.
Kenya is just Jamaica and steroid, you know?
Yeah.
Just that it's bigger, but it's the same vibes without the violence.
Without the violence, without the peaceful, yeah, the peacefulness,
without the violence, and that is key.
Yeah, that is key.
That is key. Without the violence, you know. Because we know we love with Jamaica, we're dead for that, because there is no place on the face of the earth like Jamaica. Me not gonna know where we have the vibes. But Kenya, have similar.
And why you think most Jamaicans always like have homesick? Them always feel to come back to Jamaica. You need to get that vibes.
Yeah, but the vibes.
But at Kenya, you get the vibes.
Kenya, you get the vibes, and you get the security, the safety.
Safety.
Because, brethren,
Jamaica, the safety. You just dance up on a car and a man just come and shoot up the place.
Listen, me there for 2 weeks. Me there for 2 weeks. And believe it, and one police car, me see.
Yeah.
One police car. That's unbelievable.
Yeah, man.
You know, I don't even imagine you that hear a gunshot.
Yeah.
Don't even imagine. This is magical. This is beautiful. because in the West, them tried to lead us that it's like a genetic business why black and black.
When you come at Kenya, you meet genuine friend. The man bring the shirt to you and the man say no want no money.
The man
So me I say,
like it's genetic but black
it's like I was saying to myself, we and Kenyans, we have some form of DNA connected. That's what I noticed, because you know what I mean, I don't think you can go nowhere else and get, you know, people treat us so good. Yeah.
Because once you say you come from Jamaica, it's like you become automatically a semi-god. The way them respect
you. Yeah.
Yeah. Because of the connection that has been made through the years via Rastafari and the music.
And the music and you know what I mean.
And the culture.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And them have the give the impression as if to say black and black violence in North America is a genetic business. But me come and refute that.
You come out, because you come out Africa, you see how peaceful it is.
Me come and live amongst a population of over 60 million people, could be more or less. And me no see a man a stab a man, me no see a man a war with a man. You know?
One thing me notice, Scotty, from me come here, you never see a fight yet be like school picnic a fight. Like Jamaica, where people come from school every day a fight.
So there's no fight. What you see around, so how they make, they made us that way.
Yeah.
They made us that way. They self
when you come back to Africa, you find indigenous people that native to Africa. You see how them operate, and you say, yo, Jano, wish people at Jamaica can operate like that. You know
I wish is that I could have pick up Jamaica and just come put it in a Mama Africa
and say, them learn back the traditional way of
look at Africans.
Yeah, look how them live. Look how you know what I mean. And that's the thing.
In spite of the struggles and the hardship.
Yeah.
You know, see no man a war with no man.
And that's what I'm telling you. So just imagine if Africa developed the right way and what them have in the ground and what them have here, you know, benefit the people in the right way. Trust me, man, a paradise is
Africa just need good leaders.
Yeah, because good leaders,
Just good leaders. Leaders with courage, leaders with balls.
Yeah.
You know, because Emperor Haile Selassie said Africa need nothing from outside.
Everything there.
Everything Africa need is within her.
Yeah.
You know? Everything. Look for them a pillage Africa.
Yeah, no, a pillage and a robber and a ship out.
Africa is still there, strong going. Africa do not need the West. The West need Africa.
Yeah.
But Africa need leaders.
Yeah, leaders. Yeah.
And the young people nowadays have to rise up.
Yeah.
So the youth up a Burkina Faso.
A big thing they want to do at Burkina Faso right now. Right now, every actually African country right now, if they not change their way of system, the people them gonna rise up, because they must see Burkina Faso from nothing out of something. From the French have them treasury in France and a peel out and a wipe. All French colony right now is like deplorable. There's nothing. So right now people are watching us see what going on. Hey, man from Burkina Faso can't come to that, why we can't do it too? And we have maybe more resources than them. Let me say the man create the Shell passport.
But family, listen. I've spent 2 weeks and a couple of days in Mama Africa, and to me this is heavenly.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. I've been to a couple of places in my life, and when I come and see my own black people, oh Lords, it thrills me, you know.
Yeah.
Africa, we can do it. We have to unite.
But Scotty, so coming to Africa, what's your most takeaway points? Like, most takeaway points coming?
The most takeaway points is the beauty of the people, the love from the people.
Yeah.
The love from the people.
Yeah.
Man, I can't stop emphasize that. The safety.
Yeah.
You being here and not feel anywhere threatened.
Feel no way threatened, like, imagine.
I walk, I think about have a second thought. Believe it or not, second thought. As I said before, me there for 2 weeks, I miss one police car. Policeman don't even carry a gun per se.
I'm going to say, that's when they hear
just imagine that.
When you hear KRS One say him say about the officer. Officer is like a overseer. Yeah. It's like slavery.
That's slavery. That's
when you go in a country like America, you see police all over the corner with big gun, and if you walk a certain way, them come and start to ask a question, and they want to pull them gun and shoot you. That's slavery in a different way. You don't feel safe. Once you're in a country, you don't feel safe. That's slavery. I'm telling you.
The thing that captivate me about Kenya as well is the cashless system. When is Jamaica gonna implement such a system? That reduce criminality by 75% instantly.
Yeah.
What is you gonna rob?
Yeah, what is you to rob?
We are gonna rob.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Yeah. You know? One other thing, I'm gonna have to talk the things that will really captivate me again about Kenya. I've seen probably 3 or 4 working stoplight and how the people and drive and navigate around in this narrow street without any major accident. It's amazing.
Yeah.
It is amazing. That really caught my attention. And I'm not really making a compare and no comparison to Jamaica, but Jamaica, you find, oh Lord.
But the thing about it, Scotty, this is a good thing because you have Jamaicans out there, they never think nothing good about Africa. You know what I mean? Like the media condition their mind now. So when you come as a old school Jamaican from in the 80s and come tell them what go on, and when they are telling what go on, them can't believe and see for themselves. And the joke thing.
Me tell my friends them say I got Africa in a virgin.
Yeah.
And some of them couldn't bother tell because they can't bother with the Africa? You're mad.
We are going to do.
Lion are going to heat you. We are going to Africa where fly a heat out, pick me high. You know, we are grown up.
Yeah.
We are never taught everything. They say nothing good come out of Africa. But I know deep within I and I. So that is not true. That's the land of my ancestors. And it's a lifelong dream for me to come to Africa. Yeah. So I don't really come and depend on seeing who wants to see me and who don't want to see me. My dream is to come to Africa. And I accomplish that. And just be life all being well, I am gonna forward.
Yeah. Put your body to rest. Yeah, so.
Yeah. This is the land of my ancestors.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That's what I imagined, that's what I thought. And nothing that anyone could have said and done would have deterred me from coming to Africa. Yeah. Take some time, but it's done. I can, if me die now, me happy. Me happy.
God forbid.
Yeah, God forbid. But we know so we can't stop that kind of a reality.
Yeah. But anyway,
But other than that, Mama Africa, I love you.
Yeah.
You take my breath away. People of Kenya. I appreciate love everything. I pure love me feel.
Yeah.
Pure love me feel.
You not ever feel like, you not ever think about somebody or do you something to blood.
Nah. And ladies say, you know, afraid they rob you, so rob me. Say, mommy, I'm from Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica. Jamaica we come from, man. Yeah. I'm telling you, no bad boys in Kenya. These are church-going boys. Some of them just unfortunately did the food, but them not notorious bad man.
Yeah.
No, we live that daily, and still they are strong going through.
Yeah.
Africa is beautiful. Don't spoil it. Don't change it. What you have going is oh, so the man who I wonder if this man send me the photo.
Photo?
No, one of them send me a picture.
So you bring it back?
Yeah, but no, me still it's in the bag because I fold it up, but I want one with the writing, you know. Oh damn, see soccer over here, so man.
I play football, eh?
Yeah.
They play football over here every Sunday.
But Kenya, I don't see Kenya.
No more war in Africa.
Yes, Mama Africa.
Africa.
I got tired for see my face.
Can't get you out of
the place. I saw we born, I saw we grow.
Hey, Mama, we got you.
Yeah, man.
No more war in Africa.
The man then give you the impression one of the Western world to blood club, but as it to say, Africa. Yeah, but you got, and this the interesting thing, you come on the plane, and 95% of the bloods and small people on the plane are white people. White people.
when a daughter comes, she say you're the only black person on the plane.
White people.
If you can't look on the plane, you can't see that and know that. So we actually document that and make you know.
Africa, I love your mama, the motherland. You go forward. Guidance and protection. Love it, love it, love it. Because I must speak Swahili now.
Yes, mama, we got you.
Yes, I am. Blessed love.
Mama, we got
the
you.
video no better. How long you gonna make it paper? That's why you think them so long and you don't know if you edit it.
Guns in Africa. No more war in Africa. We need some more war in Africa. We need some more star in Africa. From the Ivory Coast and to the River Nile. Every Asian and every child. Every blenders and juvenile. Every South Mama African band. All different grow. Africans with a power road. Africans with a brother home. When we are people without a soul. People still beg it to be holy cause. Ancient God, ancient God, ancient God. Mama, we got you. Mama. Maybe somebody will bite. We got you now. Mama, we got you now. Yeah, people, so make me show Scotty when we live in Africa, yeah? I don't know what you think about it. What do you think?
It's nice, nice. It's like upper class living in Jamaica. Yeah, boy, we're not going to go to school.
The family, Scotty tell me that thing that yesterday, me laugh till me weak. And then I tell me story of how, when you say, when you just come back from Jamaica, you just come back from Kenya and go to Jamaica.
I went home for the first time, but there was this man, you know.
Yeah.
Always moat, if you know moat at Jamaica.
You know that's the thing going. You get moat in Jamaica,
yeah,
you get nickname.
Yeah.
It's like Jamaica,
you know,
is just
Jerio,
nice.
you know.
Jerio.
But he's always known for that.
So Jamaica nice as a boy growing up, Scotty. I tell you, man.
The man's clearance. He say, who that?
Who that?
We say, Misa, and come and look. He say, Ras, boy, are you? He say, where you live? He say, where you there now? I say, I live in Canada, sir. He say, Ras, for your boy, who no go no good school, you do well for yourself.
So people, when Scotty tell them start to think, I say, yo, Johnny Star. When Scotty make that statement, I say, yo, and so old people used to think about school. But you have to think about school, let's say education is the key. But to go to school is not the key. Education is the key. You can be educated in anything and be successful. You know what I mean? So that's how them trick with. They tell us to go to school to get an education.
Common sense.
But you don't need to go to school to get an education. Because all of what I do right now, I never learn nothing at school. You know, from reach 20, I realize, yo, this job and work thing now go work. You got school to get a job to work. You see what I'm saying?
Programming for the work for the man.
Yeah. So education is the key, family. You need to educate yourself in something and be good at it, be a master, be a prophet, and then you can be successful. That's how it is. Yeah, so.
Oh, Mama Africa, Kenya. I head towards the airport now with much sorrow in my heart.
I don't want to leave.
I told man, it's like me I leave heaven.
Yeah.
When I tell the people on the streets that this is heaven, they look bewildered, you know.
I must say, yo,
but them don't even understand. They talk about economy. Economy is not good anywhere.
Yeah.
There was a time when I used to go to the supermarket with $100 in Canada and I could come home with 3, 4, 5 bags of grocery. No. Now I go with $100 and a half a bag, me I come home with.
So it now get better, family.
Yeah, no
worse get worse because of this inflation and money and all
and
kind
this
of
COVID business that will come on. You have to understand, so it will take time for things come back to normal, you know.
I think the thing was always like this, never be normal yet.
But other than that, to me, Africa, what I've experienced in my psyche, because I mean, I believe in no heaven in no sky.
Heaven is right here.
Heaven is right here. And if this is not heavenly, well, I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
You live in a country with how much million people, and up till this me there for 2 weeks, I mean, I see no farmer animosity.
No crime and nothing.
No
man shoot
conflict between no one, you know. You know, and I think it's unjust for us to really always comparing it to Jamaica. But what else are we gonna compare it to?
Yeah.
Those are African people, you know, living in the diaspora, and you know, with full of vigor, full of vibe, full of energy.
Yeah.
You know, but something is lacking, you know.
Yeah.
Something is lacking. They took our ancestors from the motherland 400 and odd years ago, and they rock. In the process, we lose with name, we lose with God, we lose with culture, we lose with language, we lose everything. We return inside out and made subhuman. Yeah. They thought that they would have killed us, but we survive. We survive. And for me to survive and able to return to Mama Africa with 1,000,000 spirits of my ancestors.
Yeah, million black fists, rise up a million black fists.
I feel overwhelmed. yeah. And I love every second. Except when the policeman can tell me, say me an immigrant and want to see my paper. That's stupid.
So tell the people why they should book with Jam Tours when them coming to the country.
Book with Jam Tours, you get the reliability.
Yeah.
You know, easy to get along with.
Yeah.
I'm article, you know. I'm reliable.
Yeah.
You know. So if I want you forward, my sincere advice would be get in touch, because it's not easy for you to come navigate.
Yeah.
And the first date, you definitely need somebody on the ground, you know, who can help you through the process. I have no conflict, I have no issue with him, even though he have some local Jamaican, he still have some local Jamaican tendency.
What is that?
You better leave it alone. But other than that, I just pay respect and manners and togetherness, you know. I just pay togetherness. I have no issues, you know. And if I had the chance to do it again, no question asked. That being said, Kenya, in terms of infrastructure, come on, you got to do better than that, better than this. You can't have a developing city moving forward and have one lane going, one lane coming. You lose millions and millions of man hours for people stuck in traffic.
Yeah, man hours.
No, come on now, you have to do better than this. This is the road not supposed to stay like this.
We're running to widen right as well.
I have to widen the road. This should be one lanes going that way and 2 lanes going that way. 2 lanes are more coming back this way. You have this sort of a congestion, everybody stuck in a traffic, losing thousands of hours, man hours, where people could be being productive. You have to sit down in a traffic.
All right, family, let's go to the airport. Scotty say one go to Canada. Now the cold.
I'm going to Canada, brethren. I can't do, you know, and John God, it's just pure life and all being well. One of the time I go forward, I mean, nah look back.
Nah look back.
No.
Now look back on the pillar of salt. Anyway, family, we out.
Peace.
Yeah, family, so today is Sunday and the airport full. You know what I mean? The airport full, family. Just drop off Scotty over there, so. And, you know what I mean? That's how the thing go. You never want to leave family. That's how it go when you come to Africa. You don't want to leave home. Because this is a yard, this is a home. And abroad, Africa, Africans, whether you're at home or abroad. Anyway, family, one love, God bless, Jamaica, I'm out.
Jam Tour, manners and respect, God's son. Reach home, save and sound, another call, you know. Give thanks and praise for everything, brethren. Love this every minute we spend with the eye them, you know. Next time I forward under different circumstances. No watch no face, you know. Go mats out some as according to you, mats out some things, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know what I mean? Go mats out some things, you know, and forward stronger. Respect and manners, you. Go on the way I do. Keep your eyes on the prize. Don't lose focus. I see you go places. I don't put my money upon you. Eh. Just stay focused, man. And everything will be alright. Guidance and protection. Me and I call you now. Go hold a shower.
Scotty, man, manners and respect, and thanks for the upliftment, wishes and stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah, but when you come back, man, it's gonna be bigger and better. You don't know, you do the work, you put in the work, make sure so when everybody come, everybody secure, feel at home, you never feel like you left. You know what I mean? So big up and just go and do your thing and secure the bag so when you come, you know what I mean, you don't have to look back.